What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Say Sean. And y'all already know what time it is. I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna go to New Orleans, and yeah, we're gonna ride four-wheelers in New Orleans. It's gonna be like a little mini vlog, you hear me? But if y'all didn't go like, comment, and watch my last video, man, what y'all waiting on? We on the road to 1,000 subs, man, you hear me? But hey, it's only lit from here. Y'all, we live with it, We here, man. Yeah, we all the way live with it. Got some boys in there, bitch. Hold it up. My YouTube was in.
What's that? We in the motherfucking NO. Billy Ray motherfucking Valentine's this motherfucking fine. My motherfucking dogs right here. We gonna goddamn do some motherfucking real big motherfucking shit. We gonna do some motherfucking wheeling. We gonna spin. And you know what? We gonna get your bitch. You know what? We gonna put her back in this motherfucker. Showing TV. For real. You gotta check it out. If you ain't goddamn fuck with it that, shit, you ain't doing a motherfucking thing. You a motherfucking hater.
I'm telling you. No, we in New Orleans.
Got him! I just fucking with you, baby.
Alright, bitch. Yeah. chilling right now. We in New Orleans with it still. Got the water and shit. I ain't nothing good as a video trip. This shit chill. Nigga just coolin', you know, nigga vibing. But chill. Y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I shouldn't have to say that no more. Like, you know what the deal is by now. We on the road to 1K subs, man. I'm telling you. But y'all already know what to do. I ain't gonna say no more. Hot wings, pressure shit. Nigga at the wing place right now, yeah. I don't know what kind of wings I want. I gotta get some fresh.
Y'all got boneless wings?
Nigga getting on carbon ass. I don't want no tender shit. No tender, nigga. I ain't waiting on no tender, babe. We posted up right now. Still in the city with it. Gotta get some fresh ass wings out this thing. Tell him. Who that? So, you know, that's the end of the vlog here. Getting the bites out. Well, yeah, a little bit.
What the fuck it is, man?
Yeah. Y'all know what to do though. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. We on the road to 1,000 subs. 1,000 subs, man. I'm telling you.
Say, water, what the business is? I'm feeling like a captain. I'm a boss, you say it's precious, so when I catch you, I'ma clap. You say, showing be the fucking aim. I ain't with the fucking games, I'm posting in that post.